In a traditionally planned project, the rigid requirements in the contract dictate how the development team creates the product. If they run into an issue, they can't work around the problem. Development stops until the current problem is fixed. When following the Agile values and principles, there is flexibility to work around the problem. Traditionally developed projects also make it more difficult for the developers to judge the pace they're working at. Because they don't do iterative releases, they might stick to the same methods for the whole project, even if there's a faster or better way to work. In Agile projects, the Scrum team can evaluate themselves after every sprint and try different processes to see what methods work best for their development. Traditional methods don't have this self-reflection built in, so they can take longer to complete. Another roadblock in traditional development is the lack of adaptability to changes in the product features. After the contract is written, the customer can't request a new feature. If they want to add anything, it has to wait until the product is completed, and then the development team can add or change things. The opposite is true with Agile planning. Sprints begin with fresh requests, so tasks can be added and seamlessly incorporated throughout the development. Because of the extent and rigidity of traditional planning, customers are obliged to accept what the developers create, and developers are obliged to follow the customer's original demands. In Agile projects, there's more flexibility for the development team to feel out what the customer actually wants. Because they plan with a loose vision of the product, rather than start with a strict outline, the product has space to grow and transform. More flexible planning leads to better and more frequent value.